Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. I'm from Chennai, India, and I have made a project called Access Flow. So, Access Flow is a browser extension that uses AI capabilities to improve cognitive support. Basically, it supports people who are facing any type of cognitive issues, and it helps them to further analyze and access the web. So this is the extension. This is made with uh, wheat and JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript entirely, and this is the code base for it. It's available at GitHub over here. So I'll just show you the basic demo of it. So I have the package over here. So all you have to do is go here and let's go to extensions, manage extensions. I have my developer for load the package. Let's just go to desktop and choose this. Once you select the project, so it's gonna come. It's called Access Flow. I still have to touch up a little bit of the HTML and stuff, but the basic idea, this is what it is. This is the one. So it uses the API keys and the extensions over here. It opens up and you can see this is the extension. So let's say I'll just demonstrate all the features first and then I'll expand. As dark mode and light mode, which I just recently implemented. We have history of the texts. We have bunch of settings where I've inputted my API key. That's why it's stored. You can just anyone can put their API key. If you don't have one, you can choose from AI Studio. You can just go here and create an API key, and it's pretty general. Let me just pin it over here so it doesn't move away again and again. Yeah. The thing is, you can also verify the API key. So it's gonna ask, it's gonna make a small request, and if it makes sense, then it's going to say that. And you can obviously save it. And this one has a lot of different types of test processings. Let's say your basic level, moderate level, high school level for understanding. Let's just keep it from middle school right now. And you can also change any of your fonts to small medium for accessibility. Same thing for this. Let's just move it. Maybe line spacing also if you want it to be more better. We also have contrasts and stuff. Highlight colors. Let's just keep it, let's say orange for now, bright orange. And I also have implemented a feature that's read aloud that uses the inbuilt APIs of the browser to do this. You also have all the autosave options. Now let's just go see a real life implementation. Um, okay, let's just go to Apple because that's the first thing. That let's just say I'm just browsing the web to buy a new iPhone, and I find something that's hard to understand. Um, Okay, let's just take this one. This one is pretty hard for me to understand. Let's say there's a lot of stuff and I'm not able to understand what's happening. So I can just do this and right click and process with access flow. When I do this, it's going to open it over here. And I have two options to simplify or summarize. Summarize is just going to give you an overview of whatever is happening. It's not going to be very detailed. But what you can do if you can do simplify, then it's going to do in a way that's more better rather than just summarizing everything. And you also have the option to read it out loud. If you do
Find out
this,
how much your old phone is worth. Answer a few questions to get an estimate. You can use that value to pay for a new phone, either all at once or with payments.
yeah.
If you pay
So
all at
it's just going to continue like this, and it's going to read out the entire thing for you. And I've also given few key concepts because it's easier for you to understand. Even with this, if you're not able to understand, you can just go to key concepts, and you can just go click over here, and it's going to give you a small reference point of what it is. Let's say someone who's kind of not understanding instant or delayed credit, he can just go here and he can check this and he can understand whatever happens. And I've also given an option to export it as a PDF. So let's say you want to remember stuff, you can just go here and do it because it'll help you remember stuff rather than taking notes, copy pasting. You just download PDFs, and I just wanted to implement that option. That's the thing. Yeah. Other than that, this is all the stuff a person can just read through this and understand. I've also given a few stuff that's basic features, and you can also increase the speed of the talk. And I've also given language support for different languages, so there's multiple languages you can choose from. I've just chosen the default one, and also an option to just copy to clipboard. So whenever you do this, it's gonna get this field is going to get copied. And I also have a history that is a little bit buggy right now. I still have to fix it because this is my first time I made a browser extension, so it's not really optimal. But it's the MVP version of it. I feel like it has good scope. At least for myself, I usually, it's not just fully on it, but yeah. And yes, that's it. I feel I have to still update my repo to become public and update readme. I will do that, but time's up, so I just have to stop. Yeah, thank you.